Hello everyone, I'm taking a few moments to go over some quick tips and tricks that will help you remove your prosthetics away from your face cast. I sculpted this mummy look with liquid latex and cotton, and liquid latex is not actually an adhesive, but people use it as an adhesive in special effects makeup because it has a sticky quality to it even after it dries. So I take a little bit of flour and on a brush and I begin to lift each side of the prosthetic, moving my brush left to right. And you see that this prosthetic is very thin. You don't want to force anything up off of it. Once you push flour going back and forth in a sweeping motion, it will start to release. You don't want to take your brush and move it into any area that's not completely dry, because liquid latex will ruin clothes, it will ruin brushes. If you have to use a brush that gets liquid latex on it, you might as well kiss that brush goodbye and throw it away. Be sure to take your time. Patience will go a long way in removing this. You can see that I constantly keep one hand up under the prosthetic, that way in case some of it begins to lift and it's not completely coated in powder, it will not fall back onto itself or attach or cling to anything else. So keep one hand up underneath, your brush going back and forth. If you would like to know how to make your own head cast, I do have a 3-part tutorial on how to make, mix, and sand your face cast. If you're looking for something that doesn't involve a full complete head cast, like sculpting on a mannequin head made out of styrofoam, anything that you might consider doing liquid latex sculpts on, I would recommend that you coat it in a layer of Gorilla Glue or a varnish so that you can actually lift this prosthetic piece off of it. It will need to be on a surface that is smooth and not porous. Continue to go easy all the way down to the front. Once I have each side lifted, I'm able to pull toward the center. This will also help you from distorting anything that you have casted and sculpted onto this, because I am using liquid latex and cotton. It has a tendency to lose its shape if it's pulled a little bit if you don't have a thick layer of liquid latex. I now go up underneath the cheekbone and the nose area because those are the thickest and the heaviest. Again, continuing to keep my finger up underneath until I coat it with a little bit of flour. And there you have it. Before you lay it onto any other surface, coat it one more time all the way up inside. And you will see that once I put this back onto the cast, it slips very easily. It does not want to stay. There is no tackiness at all. So thank you everyone for stopping by with this quick tip, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.